Today we're going to do some rice pudding. We had a subscriber that asked how to make rice pudding, so we're going to work on that today. So first we start off with 2 cups of cooked rice. I'll put a recipe down here for to cook rice. It's called Perfect Rice, and it does work. A cup of sugar. Mix it all up. One stick of butter. Get it mixed. Three eggs. Wash my hands after messing with those eggs. Okay, 1 teaspoon of orange extract. One teaspoon lemon. One teaspoon vanilla. I'm going to put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon just to give it a little depth of flavor. And about 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, we'll mix all this together. Get this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Get it nice and mixed. It'll be a little bit thinner, and some people, you might want, if you like a thicker pudding, you might want like 2½ cups of rice. But if you like a thinner pudding, more like a custard, then you probably want 2 cups of rice. As with all Southern cooking, it's what your family likes. Okay, then we're going to put, some people like raisins, some people don't. We do in this family, so I'm going to put about 1/2 cup of raisins. Mix it all up good. Then get your pan that you're going to cook it in. This is the one I'm going to cook mine in. We're going to butter it. That way it doesn't stick. I like to use butter. That way it gives it a little bit extra flavor. Pour it in. You can take just a little bit of sugar on the top. This is optional, but it does make it taste a lot better. Take you just a little bit of sugar. And just a little bit of cinnamon or nutmeg, whichever one you like best. And just kind of top it just a little to give it a little bit of a extra flavor. Okay, then we'll put it in the oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, our timers went off on our rice pudding, so we're going to get it out. Looks delicious. Okay, rice pudding is best when it's kind of crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Okay, we'll try it and see what it tastes like. Maybe just a little more. As with all Southern cooking, it's all in the family. Every family has different recipes. They switch around. They go by what their family likes. In our family, we like a lot of cinnamon. We like a lot of the orange and lemon flavors. So we'll take, it's still a little bit hot. We'll let it cool just a second. We're trying to do a series on Southern cooking. A lot of our older people have gone, and so we're trying to keep all these family recipes alive. These are some of my family and David's family's recipes. David's mom fixed rice pudding a lot, and that's one of his memories. And we had a subscriber that wanted to know, so we thought, well, that would be a good one to make for this week. So it's rice pudding. And I will put the ingredients and the directions down in the bottom, down in the comments. That way you can have it if you'd like to try it. And I want to thank everybody that is watching this series. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the recipes and the ideas that you've sent in. So let's try this and see what it tastes like. Perfect. The orange gives it such a different flavor from the other rice puddings we've tried. A lot of people doesn't put orange or the lemon. It's just a little change. Like I said, every family does a little different. So I think you'll like it if you'd like to try it. We'll see you again next week. Thank you for watching. Thanks.